Hi. So today we will discuss the optimization in C. We will see a multiple example during this course. So first example is how we can write the efficient way of code for this if-else statement. So I think everybody knows how we can use the if statement. So if some conditions is there, if this condition is true, then this part of code will execute. Okay, or else this part of code. So this is if else statement. If you want to use nested if, then if then some part of condition is there, then this line of code will execute. Else if again some condition will be there, and then below statement will execute, and at last we will get else, and then below condition will execute. Okay, we will come to our question. The question was write the piece of code in efficient way. And what they have given here, if x equals to 0, we have to increment y. If x greater than equals to 0, we have to decrement y. If x less than equals to 0, we have to increment y by plus 2. Now, if we write down the same code, what will happen? It will come here, it will execute this statement. Compiler will again check this condition. It will go here, and if it is true, it will execute this statement. Otherwise, it will skip that statement, but it will go to the next line. It will check this condition also, and it will check, okay, x is less than 0. Okay, this condition is not true. It will skip that. But what happened here? It will check always this condition and this condition, though this condition is true. So compiler will waste two more cycle for checking this and this condition. Now, how we can reduce this? So answer is very straightforward. Now, if x equals to 0, then y plus plus. Now I don't want to execute. Okay, if this condition is true, I don't want to execute the next step. Then else if x greater than 0, execute y minus minus, and otherwise else execute y plus 2 equals to 2. That's it. So here what will happen? It will just come here, it will check, okay, x equals to 0. Okay. If it is true, then it will call this statement, and it will keep remaining these two example, two statement. Okay. Otherwise, if it is not true, if it will come here, it will check, okay, this is not true, then it will come and it will check, okay, if this is true, it will call this line, and then it will skip this line of code. And lastly, if this condition is true, it will check this one, and it will come and it will execute this line of code. In this example, or in this sequence, like if last condition is true, what will happen? It will execute all three, but for first two, it will skip the next one if it is not correct. Okay, so likewise we can optimize our C code. So few more examples we will discuss in upcoming session. Thank you.